So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let's say you open FaceApp and instead of seeing your photos and editing tools, you get a message about a server error. The app simply won't connect to its app server, leaving you stuck and unable to do anything. So a server error means exactly what it says. The communication between your device and FaceApp's cloud infrastructure has failed. Because FaceApp processes all its filters and effects on remote servers rather than on your phone. So live connection is absolutely required for the app to work. But the good news is that this is rarely a problem with your phone itself. According to troubleshooting guides, the issue is often temporary. Either your local network is having a hiccup or FaceApp's own servers are down for maintenance or even overloaded. The bad news is that if it's on their end, there is not much you can do but wait. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, check your internet connection. A server error can sometimes be triggered by an unstable connection on your side. So start by toggling airplane mode on and off for like 10 seconds. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. If other apps and websites are loading fine but FaceApp isn't, the issue is likely not your connection. So move to checking the FaceApp's server status. Because sometimes the problem is totally on their end, the solution is only wait for them to actually fix the issue. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.